ladies and gentlemen. I am R.S. Francisco, personally welcoming each and every one of you to our annual Champions Night. Each year, we celebrate the achievements of the best in front row. It excites me every time because whenever I stand here in front of you, it serves as a confirmation that what my business partner, Sam Versosa, and I have started was right. That we made a good choice. And that we were able to inspire and motivate people to be the best version of themselves. Our goal from the very beginning was to uplift the image of network marketing in the Philippines. Seeing all of you in attendance tonight, it brings me joy and it assures me that we are on the right path. Yet there are still more things to do, still more people to help, still more lives to change. This is only the beginning of a journey to uplift what I believe is the best business model in the world, of what I believe is the solution to the financial problems facing our society today. Let us all work hand in hand to complete this mission. Let us all be in the front row. And as we commence the celebrations tonight, let us all be in the spirit of beginning. In that I mean, let us all be together. Use this night as inspiration to aspire for more as we begin our journeys, not because it means that we are not content, but because we know how abundant life can be.
Yes.
I, for one, know how it feels like to be from rags to riches. And let me tell you, life is amazing. There is definitely no other way to live life than to live it to the fullest. So get ready, front row, for the ride of your life. Millionaires, let us all turn our beast modes on. I am R.S. Francisco, and I am forever front row. Ladies and gentlemen, my business partner, Samuel Versosa.
Guys, happy Valentine's Day. Tonight, kay Valentine's Day namin ni RS. My front row family, mahal naman namin kayo. I love you too.
Bakit sa akin wala nag-I love you?
Tonight guys, let's just celebrate.
Tagalog na lang ako eh, wala nag-I love you.
Guys, this is your night, huh? Let's celebrate, let's enjoy. We'd like to meet each and every one of you. Yung show tonight is just a glimpse of what will happen to you. If tuloy-tuloy ka sa front row, yung mga mangyayari sa'yo, yung mga nangyari sa amin, kaya ituloy-tuloy mo lang. Guys, last year, Champions Night, it was a take-off. This year, 2016, Beast Mode on. Nakalipat na tayo, guys. As you can see, these are all our branches all over the Philippines. Parami ng parami. Palakpakan natin, guys.
Hindi ko namin iisa-isahin kasi sobrang dami.
We will not stop on having branches nationwide. We'll build more branches nationwide, more international branches.
We will not stop in the Philippines.
Guys, just give your 100% and we'll give you back 1,000%. That is what front row is all about. 2016 is front row. So guys, this year, I want you to dream bigger dreams. Mangarap pa tayong lahat, guys. Dahil sa front row, walang imposible.
Dahil sa front row, lahat yun mangyayari sa atin.
So, to all the members, distributors, top earners, millionaires, future millionaires, maraming salamat. I love you all very much. I'm Sam Versosa, and I'm forever front row.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, you got two of the founders. We got R.S. Francisco, Sam Versosa. Everybody roar!
Maybe this moment is a September, where we celebrate the achievement.